Hello everyone. Hi dear students. Pleasant evening. Welcome to Sri Chaitanya. How are you all? Ready dear students for learning? Are you all ready everyone? Say hi yaar, hi, good evening, something you text. Come on. Hello. If you're all ready, we shall start. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah. So, thank you. So, in the previous classes, dear students, we've so far spoken about three special functions: modulus function, step function, fractional part function. Even after that, yesterday we have seen some standard graphs, basic elementary graphs, followed by, you can say, graphical transformations. Right, everyone? Clear? So in today's lecture, do you think, what are we going to discuss? This is all about sequence and series, progressions especially. Right? Right, everyone? I couldn't see proper response from you here. Text, hi sir, something you text, everyone. Come on, I need energy in the class. Yes. So the topic today's lecture is arithmetic progression. Before that, dear students, number. Array, all of you text number here. Number. Text number. Yeah. Text number here in the chart. Number. You know, yes, thank you very much. You are really lovely students. Lovely students, dear students. Those who are listening to me, really, I like you, dear students. Yeah, thank you. See, dear students, if I'm asked to name the topmost inventions or discoveries, whatever, by the mankind, definitely I would say the first one is going to be the fire. Fire is the first greatest invention, what I feel. The second one is, dear students, wheel. Fire, wheel. Thank you, Amma Harsha. Yeah, so fire and wheel. Then if you ask me the third place must definitely go to the concept of idea of number. Number is the greatest invention by the mankind, because you just imagine, man has not invented number, what about the world? No science, no technology, nothing. So number is such a great idea. So this is why Pythagoras said number is the ruler of the universe. But dear students, number is the ruler of the universe. Yes. If no, you see, even AI, data science, it is all about numbers. Everything we try to express in terms of numbers. Bill Gates, 20 years back himself, he said in future everything will be expressed in terms of numbers. Now that numbers itself, fine. And one mathematician rightly said that maybe everything created by, maybe numbers are created by the God, rest of all maybe by the mankind. That means it doesn't mean that God has invented numbers. It means that the idea of number is such a greatest thing. It is not that easy, dear students. Okay, fine. After number, dear students, we know all the numbers, pattern. Second one is pattern. Pattern is second important, dear students. Why important, you know? So what is science? Science is all about observing the nature. Science is all about you observe the pattern. See, man observed the pattern, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, you see days and all these things. He observed a pattern. From that he decoded the secrets of the nature, right? So observation, pattern, calculation are very important in our daily life to get, you see, the research oriented science. The science progress depends on observing the patterns. Observing pattern generally we do in reasoning and all, that is fine, but actually that is the main important thing that science reveals, dear students. Okay, fine. Now in numbers, we observe many patterns. There are many patterns. So certain patterns, standard elementary patterns we study a lot, so that with the help of which we study other patterns, of which one of the important patterns is arithmetic progression. You know this well, dear students. Arithmetic progression, it is already done by you in grade 9, right? Arey yaar, these many students are watching video. You didn't like my video, yaar. Just like it. Many of your friends will also join. Like the video, come on. All of you, give a like to the video. Like it. Let me see. All of you, those who are watching, like the video, come on, quick, quick. I'm going to give you, even though arithmetic progression is very familiar to you, definitely I'm sure I'm going to give you some important points related to this which you didn't know earlier. Okay, definitely, I promise you, dear students, at the end of the session you will say that, yes sir, really I've learned new point in this class regarding, yeah, what I say, arithmetic progression, right? Chalo. So dear students, yeah, arithmetic progression, you know well. Arithmetic progression in the sense you start with some number, say 2, keep on adding same number. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. This pattern is called arithmetic progression. You know well. Arithmetic progression means start with a number, keep on adding same number, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. The number that you are adding here is called common difference. What do we call, dear students? This 3 is called common difference. The logic is simple, dear students. So we call it as first term T1, second term T2, third term T3, fourth term T4. You take any term minus its previous term is T4 minus T3 gives the common difference 3, dear students. You know this point, this is not nothing special, it's a very common thing. You know it already in your grade 10. So this is, yeah, you may say, so what sir, this is all known to me, I am very much familiar, so why are you teaching all these things? Just part of introduction I am giving. Now dear students, let us take in a generalized way. Let us start with a number A. Suppose let us keep on adding some number a plus d. Next will be a plus 2d. Next will be a plus 3d, a plus 4d. This pattern is called arithmetic progression or simply AP, arithmetic progression. Okay, now dear students, of which A is called first term. Am I correct? A is called first term and D is called common difference, dear students. What do we call? Common difference. Please wait for shortcuts, I'll give you. Just stay connected with me, I'll give you wonderful shortcut, dear students. Okay, so D is common difference, common difference. This is the pattern. Now, generally, dear students, you see here second term T2 is like A plus D. Third term you see A plus 3D. Fourth term you see A plus 3D. So you can, in this pattern, can you say the 10th term, dear students? 10th term you can observe a pattern. This is going to be A plus 9D. A plus 9D. You don't know one secret, dear students. So please, it is a secret, don't reveal to anyone. If you say yes, I'll tell you. If you say yes, I'll tell you the secret. Yes or no? If you say yes, I'll tell you the secret. Shall I? Shall I say the secret? Shall I say the secret? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. The secret is, dear student, you take any JEE main paper, from there will definitely be at least one question from sequence and series, and 60% of the question from sequence and series are from arithmetic progression alone. Arithmetic progression is very, very important. Why I am going to focus on arithmetic progression? Because your 10th class syllabus, that is in sequence and series first part, that is arithmetic progression, you are going to get question in JEE Main. What you need is little bit of algebra, that's it. So it's very, very important. Please follow it very carefully. So you can say 10th term means a plus 9d. So dear students, in generally first term is a, suppose common difference is d. How to write 10th term? This is definitely like a plus 9d. How it be 50th term? A plus 49d. And how it be nth term? Generalized nth term, dear students. How it be nth term? Nth term is going to be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term is going to be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is very familiar to you, nothing wrong in this. Correct, dear students? Correct, everyone? Correct? Yes, thank you. Now, see, dear student, this question, I have given a pattern here 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. In the first pattern, try to find the nth term of this. Try to find nth term. Please text the nth term here. Many students are watching, but you didn't like my video, yaar. Like it, like the video, so that it gets forwarded for most of your friends. Okay. Yeah, what is nth term? Come on. Nth term here in this first question, nth term. Please text. Please text. Answer. Yeah, Wes, correct, 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 correct. I know one thing, you have applied a formula to find the nth term. Yeah, what is that? In this pattern, a is equal to 3, common difference d is equal to 4, right? Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 4. That is, dear students, 4n minus 4 plus 3 will become minus 1. 4n minus 1, correct? If it is 4n minus 1, if you have a doubt, dear students, nth term is 4n minus 1. You put n is equal to 1, first term you have to get 3. N is equal to 2, 8 minus 1, 7. N is equal to 4, 16 minus 1, 15. Correct, right? It's very simple, correct. Now, dear students, a small shortcut. All of you text me shortcut. Text me shortcut. All of you text. Sir, we want shortcut. Shortcut. Text. All of you text shortcut. Yeah, fine. Right, chalo. So the shortcut is, dear students, you see, if you want to write nth term of an AP, you see, common difference is 4, no? You write 4n. If common difference is 4, 4n. To get the first term 3, what should be added to 4? Minus 1. That's all. You see, let me repeat, dear students. I mean to say, if you want nth term in this, you see, it is simple. Nth term will be like Pn plus Q, my dear friends. Nth term of an AP will be like Pn plus Q, where P is nothing but the common difference. For example, in this AP, common difference is 4. So you write 4n. So what should be added to 4 to get the first term 3? Minus 1. That's all. Done. Correct? Correct? This n coefficient is nothing but the common difference. Now second question, let me try, dear students. All of you try second question. Here 3 is added, 3 is added, 3, 3. So you write 3n. First term is 5, so 2 is to be added to 3, 3n plus 2. Correct, everyone? Correct? Correct? Third one, dear students, 12, 7, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5n. What should be added to minus 5 to get 12? Plus 17. Plus 17. Correct? Got it, everyone? Array, how many of you really enjoyed the shortcut? Really enjoyed the shortcut? How many of you really enjoyed the shortcut? This is for AP. This is for AP. For arithmetic progression. How many of you really like this shortcut? Let me see, dear students. Yes, yes please. How many of you really like this shortcut? Okay, fine, thank you very much. So this is simple. There are few more shortcuts I will tell you. Once again, in an AP, do remember, nth term will be like Pn plus Q, okay, where this P is nothing but the common difference. P plus Q must be first term, that's all. So dear students, yeah, coming to this question. You take some AP, you can write very easily. Suppose you take 7 plus 5, 12, 17, 22, 27, 32, this is the pattern. Try to write the nth term, all of you. Try to text the nth term of this AP. No formula, a plus n minus 1 into d, don't use. Directly you write. Directly you write the nth term here. Come on quick. Come on quick. This is an AP, sure. What is the common difference? 5, 5, 5. So you write 5n. To get 7, what should be added to 5? 2. That's all. 5n plus 2. Not 7n. Common difference is 5. So 5n plus 2. This n coefficient is the common difference. Got it everyone? Clear? Clear everyone? Right. Okay. Now you see this question, dear students. In an AP, listen to me. In an AP, 7th term is this, 13th term is this. Find the 15th term. Come on, try in your own way. The students who are watching the video, like it, like the video. All of you like the video. Like the video. Those who are watching the lesson, sequence and series, so that I'll give you wonderful techniques in this lesson. Okay. Yeah. So dear students, this question, as per my knowledge, many students will be answering like this. Okay. Yeah. So 7th term means generally in an AP, a plus 6d we write 2387. 13th term means a plus 12d, which is 2687. Some students solve it, find a and d. If you subtract, you will get 6d is nothing but 300. Of course, d can be 50. So do we need to find a? If you want, you can find a. But I want 15th term. T15 means I have to find a plus 14d. So how many of you found calculated a? How many of you calculated a? Come on. How many of you have calculated a? Did you calculate a? Yeah, right. Some student definitely might have calculated a, but no need of, dear students. I want 15th term a plus 14d. I already know a plus 12d. Can I write it as a plus 12d plus 2d, dear students? 2d I can write. It is already 2687. 2d is 100. 2787. Clear? 2787. Is it clear everyone? I mean to say, it is time waste to find a. Don't find a. No need to find a. I just want 15th term. Why to find a? Clear? You can save time without finding a. Am I correct, dear students? Am I correct? Am I correct everyone? How many of you loved this solution? Yeah, fine. Now, let us try this question in another way. You see this? You see 7th term, very simple. 7th term is 2387. 13th term is 2687. I want 15th term. Here, don't calculate anything, dear students. You know AP means we'll be adding D. How many? From 7th term to 13th term means you will be adding 6D, but actually 300 is added. So 6D is 300, which means D is 50. And 15 means you have to add 2 Ds, that is 100 you add directly. 2787 is the answer. No need of solving equations. Clear everyone? This question you see, no need of solving equations. I know 7th term, 13th term, so 6D's I will add, actually 300 is added, so 6D is 300, D is 50. 13th term to 15th term means 2D's I need to add, so 2D's means 100 you have to add, 2787 is the answer. Clear everyone? No equations, nothing, directly you can answer. Right everyone? Clear? Clear? Yeah. Next. Yeah, dear students, sum of n terms of an AP. Yeah, in an AP there is a wonderful observation. There is a beautiful observation in an AP, dear students. Let me tell you. Suppose you take some AP, say like 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 10, 13, you can say 16, 19, like this. If you take an AP, dear students, you just add these two, 23, add these two, 23, add these two, 23. In an AP, you take certain number of terms, dear student. First number plus last number is same as, second plus last but one is same as this. Is this clear everyone? It's a beautiful property of AP. You can find this property in AP alone. Arey yaar, 300 students are watching. You didn't like the video, like it. Like the video, then I will give more shortcuts with lot of energy. Okay, samjhe? Like the video. Suppose the same pattern AP 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. I have taken odd number of terms here. 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Odd number of terms are there. In this case, dear students, add these to 20. Add these to 20. One term is left. Add these two. Add this number twice. You will get 20. Okay, got my point? If even number of terms are there, this is the thing. If odd number of terms are there, you have to, in between you are left with add it twice. Clear? This Sai Satvik, I will say, because I am a teacher. Even though you don't like it, I will say. Just I am saying. That's it, Sai Satvik. Okay? Right. If you like or don't like, I have to do my job. Okay? Will give, don't worry. Okay. Yeah, dear students, do you understand this technique? Do you understand this point? Okay. This property, this particular observation is going to help a lot to solve the problems in a wonderful way. Okay. Got it? No issues, Satvik, no problem. Yeah, I know you liked it. Okay, right? So this is the point. Got it, dear students? Is this point clear? Now my point is, with this I am going to find a formula. Yeah, I am going to find a formula to find sum of n terms. You may say, sir, I already know AP sum of n terms n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Long story. I practice it a lot and all. Okay, so let me write like this. Suppose in an AP you have got T1, T2, T3 and so on Tn. Okay, I want the sum. Shall I apply the shortcut, dear students? Suppose this is Tn minus 1. I want their sum. So this plus this plus this plus this. Now you do one thing. T1 plus Tn, suppose k. T1 plus Tn is k. T2 plus Tn minus will also be the same. T3 plus its Tn minus 2 will also be the same. Like that, you want sum of n terms means there will be n by 2 pairs. N by 2 pairs, each pair sum is nothing but T1 plus Tn. Am I correct? Am I correct, dear students? Yeah. So n by 2. So this is what we call n by 2. T1 let it be a, and Tn you can write like a plus n minus 1 into d. So that the formula becomes n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That's all. Very a simple proof for sum of n times. Okay, right? So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, fine. So dear students, sum of n terms in an AP, two formula dear students. One formula you can say here n by 2 into a plus l. We also write like, if you know nth term like l, n by 2 into a plus l and n by 2 into this. You know these two things dear students. Now what I am going to do is, same pattern, you see the sum of the first n terms of this series you need to find. Come on, 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Try to find sum of this nth terms of this, sum of n terms of the first series. Friends, in this pattern you know a is equal to 3, d is equal to 4. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which gives, this is n by 2 into 4n, 6 minus 4 will become 2. If you cancel 2, you will get 2n square plus n. What is the answer dear students? 2n square plus n. Am I correct? 2n square. If you have a doubt dear students, sum of n terms, do remember Sn. If you put n is equal to 1, what should you get? What should you get? First term, S1 means one term only, T1, 2 plus 1, 3, correct? N is equal to 2. S2 means, dear student, please do remember T1 plus T2. Put 2 here, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. You see, sum of two terms is 10. So we are correct. We are correct. Then S3 you find, 9 2s are 18 plus 3, 21. S3 means sum of three terms is 21. Correct. So our answer is correct dear students. Is it clear everyone? How to find sum of n terms? Is it clear how to find sum of n terms? Naruto, are you talking about me? Me only, no? Yes. Thank you. Right. So dear students, now a secret shortcut. Can I write sum of n terms in one step without writing all these things? I don't like writing lengthy steps. Shall we go with short way? Clear? Clear everyone? Writing sum of n terms in a short way. Chalo. One thing. This is AP, confirm. You want Sn. Okay. What is the common difference? D is equal to 4. Correct? D is equal to 4. Correct? D by 2 you write. D by 2. Half of D is 2. That is going to be n square coefficient. Plus, what should be added to get the first term 3 to 2? 1. 1 into n. That's it. Chalo, ho gaya. Arey yaar, sum of n terms of an AP will always be like Pn square plus Qn. Do remember. Sum of n terms of an AP will always be like Pn square plus Qn, where P is nothing but common difference by 2. P plus Q should always be the first term. That's all. If odd, even, anything, it will go. Okay? Clear everyone? Shortcut, do you understand? Let me repeat. Sum of n terms of an AP will be like Pn square plus Qn. If odd, we write by 2. I kept, don't worry, I'll explain that case. What if it is odd? Okay. Common difference by 2 is n square coefficient. P plus Q is going to be the first term, right? Okay. Now suppose next question you see. This is an AP. I want sum of n terms, Sn. Chalo, common difference 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3 by 2 n square bhaiya. This is 3 by 2 n square. Somebody is asking what if it is odd? Yes, 3 by 2 n square. What should be added to this to get first term 5? 5 means 10 by 2, no? That means 7 by 2 n. That's it. Chalo, ho gaya. Clear? Is this clear everyone? Arey, how many really enjoyed this technique here? How many really enjoyed this technique? Writing sum of n terms. You can write in few seconds. This is an AP. Common difference minus 5. Minus 5 by 2 n square. And first term 12. 12 means 24 by 2. 24 means you have to write 29 by 2 n. This is sum of n terms. Clear? Clear? So those who felt this technique super, type super. Yeah, let me see. Here common difference is minus 5. So I have written minus 5 by 2 n square. Minus 5 by 2 n square. So what should be added to this to get first term 12? 12 I treat like 24 by 2. So minus sorry, minus 5 by 2. So if I write 29 by 2, so that the sum will be 24 by 2. Correct? That's it. Right? Yeah, thank you very much, dear students, for your encouragement. So this is a wonderful technique, dear students, to find sum of n terms of an AP. Clear? Clear? Right? Chalo. Fine. Coming to the question. So in this AP, you see A1, A2, A3, A24 are in AP. Okay, there are 24 terms and given A1 plus is given 450. So find this. Yeah, shall we do this question, dear students? Shall we do? Can anybody try to answer this? Can anyone give the answer? Yaar, above 300 students are watching, but likes are less. Like the video, like the video, like the video. All of you like the video. Give a like. I will like you. Okay? Fine. Thank you. Thank you. Fine. So many of you are giving the answers. I really appreciate, dear students. Thank you for the participation, active participation in the class. Yeah. So dear students, I mean to say one observation, you see how easily I close this problem. How easily I close this problem. A1, you see dear students, A1, A2, A3, A22, A23, A24. You take 24 terms of the AP. This sum is same as, this sum is same as this sum. You just observe the suffixes 124, sum is 25, 223, sum is 24. Okay, so 124, you see 124, sum 25, 223, sum 25, 322, sum is 25. Like that, dear students, we have given this. So suppose this is K. You observe this point here. Yeah, you observe this point here. Suppose this sum is K. Now, you see A1 plus A24, if it is K, A5 plus A20 is also K, A10 plus A15 is also K, because observe the suffixes sum 25, 25. So 3K is given as 450. I just want here, you see, if this is K, this is also K, I want 2K. 3K is 450 means K is 150, so 2K is 300. That's it. 300 is the answer. Fine, everyone. 300 is the answer. Clear? Clear? So you might have got the answer 300, I appreciate, but the point is, dear students, how you have done. How many of you have done this problem in this way? If you are done this problem in this method, I really appreciate. So how many of you are feeling, I'll explain it again, Naga Kaushik. You see, in an AP, in an AP you know that A1 plus A24 is same as A2 plus A23. Am I correct? You just observe the suffixes. Sum of suffixes 25. A2, A23 also. A3, A22 also. Sum of suffixes 25. These are same. So coming to the question, you observe if this is K, the same pattern this also follows. Suffixes sum 25. This also. So 3K is 450. So K is 150. Now he is asking to find us, this is K, this is also K. 2K he is asking, which is 300. No calculation, nothing. Okay. Clear? Clear? Right. Yeah. Chalo, next. You see this question? Yeah. Here, today my target is you must be able to, you must enjoy these techniques and you must like it. Okay? Fine, chalo. If the ratio between sum of first n terms of two different APs is given, then find the ratio of their 11th terms. Try, dear students. What is given? Ratio between sum of first n terms of two APs. There are two APs. Sn is sum of one AP, S dash n is sum of another AP. This is given as 7n plus 1 by 4n plus 27. Okay. Okay. Now actually I can't take this as Sn because in an AP n square term will be, Sn will be like Pn square plus Qn, correct? So you just multiply the numerator and denominator with n, 7n square plus n by 4n square plus 27n. Can I take? You see this? Let me take it like multiplied with n. Now it is exactly like Sn. Common difference by 2 is 7 means here common difference is 14. First term is 7 plus 1 is 8. Very simple. I know that Sn of an AP will be like common difference by 2 will be n square coefficient. So D is 14. A is nothing but first term. Here also D is 8 and first term is going to be 31. That's it. That's it. So dear students, I can say I want ratio of their 11th terms, T11 by T dash 11. What is T11? So A plus 10D 140. Here A plus 10D is 80. Yes, this is going to be 148 divided by, you can say 100 111. That's all. This is the answer. Clear? Right? Right, everyone? Yeah, I mean to say the observation that in an AP, nth term will be like Pn plus Q, where P is the common difference, P plus Q is the first term, and Sn will be like Pn square plus Qn, where P is common difference by 2 and first term is P plus Q. This helps to answer this question easily. Okay, right? Yeah, yeah. Those who like this problem, this method, so you might have done this question earlier. If the approach is little new, please like. Participate in the discussion. Yes, come on. Participate in the discussion, all of you. If the approach is new to you, what I have explained. Yeah, let me repeat. Nobita. Array Sn's ratio is given. I know Sn will be like Pn square plus Qn. So in the numerator and denominator I have multiplied with n. So that you see, whenever Sn is like this, dear students, n square coefficient is common difference by 2. That means in this n, D is nothing but 7 double 14. A is nothing but put n is equal to 1, 8. In the same way, second AP nth term is sum of n terms is this. If you know sum of n terms, n square coefficient is common difference by 2. Okay. So, its double is going to be common difference. Put n is equal to 1, 31 is going to be the first term. Now you know in both the APs, first term as well as common difference. I want the ratio of their 11th terms. 11th term means a plus 10d here, a plus 10d here, you will get the answer. That's it. Clear? Clear? Right. Chalo. Next question. You see this? Insert 5 AMs, not 5 AM, 5 arithmetic mean. AM means arithmetic mean. Insert 5 arithmetic means between 7 and 31. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is between 7 and 31, you write 5 numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 such that they are in AP. In that case, we say that these are in arithmetic progression, AMs. These are called AMs. Okay. Q, arey yaar, in sum of n terms, you see Tn is Pn plus Q. You have to write Q such that P plus Q is first term A. Sn is like Pn square plus Qn. After writing P, do remember P plus Q is the first term. In such a way you have to write Q. Okay? Right? Clear everyone? Now, you see insert 5 AMs between these two, in the sense between 7 and 31 you have to write 5 numbers such that they are in AP. Okay, so here first term is 7, this is second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, this is 7th term T7. Arey yaar, in this AP first term is 7, T7 means A plus 6D is 31. So, 6D is going to be 31 minus 7, 30 minus 6, 24. So, D is equal to 4, dear students. Okay. If D is equal to 4, what should I find? You know common difference. So, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 19 and 23, 27, 31. These are the 5 numbers between this. Okay, everyone? Fine. I really love the way you consistently maintaining the class. Many of the students, what I observe is here through statistics, analytics, I observe that many students, they're not missing even a minute, they're continuously watching the class and following the class. I really appreciate, dear students, really appreciate. Yeah, so fine, right? But still there are some students who didn't like my class after 50 minutes of delivery. Okay, why yaar? Okay, so we'll give you few more shortcuts. We'll give you. Okay, fine, chalo. Yeah. After this, dear students, I mean to say, yeah, you see this question, if somebody answers this with a simple technique, I will be, means really it's a test for your, I can say, not intelligence, the way you are following the class. Find the sum of 10 AMs inserted between 3 and 21. 3 and 121. With simple calculation, can somebody give the answer? Find the sum of 10 AMs. Quick, I want the answer very quickly. Come on, quick, try to answer the question. You can do this question within no time. Come on. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. What is the sum of? Yeah, Ketan Reddy. How did you say? Yeah. 124, 620, 248. Yeah. Yes, 620, right. So let me answer, dear students. Let me answer. Really appreciate Those who answered here the answers, really appreciate. Array 10 AMs means I will be writing 10 numbers here in between them. I want their sum. These will be in AP. Shall I write sum of 10 numbers in AP means n by 2 into first number plus last number? Shall I write? Can I say first number plus last number? Which is same as 3 plus 121, which is 124, which is 16t. 620 is the answer. Correct? Done. Fine. I want sum of this 10 AMs inserted between these two. Okay. So 10 numbers suppose I have inserted. These are in AP. Their sum I want. So 10 by 2 into first number plus last number. Last number is 121. So actually sum of these two, which is same as 3 plus 121. This. Okay. Right. Those who like this, like it, give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. Who like this? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Fine, fine. Good, 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 good. So dear students, so this is simple question. You can try later. Number of numbers that are divisible by 9 between 1 and 1000 is a simple question you can do. Now this question, dear students, probably you can answer this question easily. Come on, what is the answer? A, B, C, D. Quick, quick, quick. What is the answer? Come on. Yeah, come on. Right? Yes. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలా? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పరా నాన్న? నోబితా. Come on. What is the answer for this question? A, B, C, D. 0, 111, A. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Good, dear students. Really appreciate your answers. A, B, C, D, E form an AP. A, B, C, D, E. You can observe one thing, dear students. A plus E is same as B plus D is same as 2C. That is the observation. Yeah. Now this part you can take A plus E minus 4 into B plus D plus 6C. Correct? So if you take A plus E as K and B plus D as K, you can write 3 into 2C is also K. 4K minus 4K, 0. That's it. That's it, dear students. Okay? Right? Clear, everyone? Clear? Yeah. So this question you can try. It's a beautiful question. You can say previous year question, this kind of question we got even recent years also. Okay? Right? Yeah. Some questions I've kept here. You can try later, dear students. Yeah. So in tomorrow's session we are going to discuss about geometric progression and harmonic progression. Before I close today's session, let me give the summary of the session, dear students. What is the summary? Dear students, number is the ruler of the universe. Number, it is all numbers. So in numbers, patterns are very, very important. So those who didn't like the video, like the video, like it, so that it will be forwarded to many other students. Okay, right? So in arithmetic progression, you know the pattern of arithmetic progression. Nth term is like A plus n minus 1 into D, and sum of n terms will be like n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and which can also be written like n by 2 into A plus L. But most of the problems, our shortcut is nothing but nth term of an AP will be like Pn plus Q, where P is the common difference. Sn will be like Pn square plus Qn, where P is nothing but common difference by 2. S దేశ భాషలందు తెలుగు లెస్స actually. Okay, fine. The modern language we can say Telugu lessa. Okay, Sri Krishna Devarayalu, correct. So this is the point, and another important point is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 it is given in AP. This sum is equal to this sum is equal to twice. These 3 points, these 3 points really make the problems of AP easy. So in tomorrow's session we'll be doing geometric progression, and then inequalities related to AM, GM, HM inequality will be done. That's all for the day, dear students. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Bye. Yeah. So all of you please text once number. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Bye.